text and track securely with Blackout Comms, even if there is no phones, Wi-Fi, internet, or grid. In Blackout Comms native mode, your devices are essentially your own private off-grid mesh network. Your communications and locations are strongly encrypted, and your devices work together to keep everyone in contact. Your devices use 64 different frequencies unpredictably hopping to prevent jamming or interference. In Blackout Comms via MeshCore mode, your devices use a MeshCore network, allowing them to leverage any nearby MeshCore repeaters. This can drastically extend the range of your devices. Since MeshCore sits on a single frequency, you do lose anti-jamming capability. In MeshCore native mode, your Blackout Comms devices can communicate with other MeshCore apps and devices. You are broadcasting and receiving encrypted messages with other MeshCore users. This is less secure, but enables you to communicate locally with MeshCore users. To get started with Blackout Comms, visit chatters.io.